So as I was saying, since the time the show has come, there's a lot of chatter and a lot of talk about it. That's the reason why we are here. Even I am very excited to ask you about it. It's actually one of my favorite, sir. So I will be. What we have done is we have curated a few questions for the both of you, sir. And if you can elaborate थोड़ा सा विस्तार में आप हमें बताएं. So sir, firstly I would like to thank you guys for giving us this opportunity and this time. Sir, fans have been asking a lot of questions. एक सवाल ये पूछा जा रहा है कि आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था फॉर अ सीरीज लाइक सीक्रेट गेम्स. हाउ वाज इट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम मेकिंग अ फीचर फिल्म?
How is it different from making a feature film?
यस सर.
Making a feature film is easier because Vikram Motwani is not your showrunner or producer.
Or more difficult.
This is my difficulty, my pain, my balm, my medicine, everything here.
सर मतलब इन टर्म्स ऑफ द एंटायर बिहाइंड द सीन्स सर कितना फ़र्क पड़ जाता है जब एक फिल्म के लिए आप प्लान कर रहे होते हैं वर्सेस एक सीरीज़ के लिए जब आप
ये तो कुछ प्लान कभी करते नहीं थे, तो आप किससे बात कर रहे हो? तो जाके शुड होता प्लान वर्ड तो मैं कंपनी का नाम प्लान बी कभी नहीं था
सर. मतलब एक्सपीरियंस कितना
मेरा कोई प्लान नहीं
डिफरेंट. हाँ
नहीं यार, शूटिंग तो अच्छा सीरियस आंसर तो शूटिंग तो आई थिंक द शूटिंग इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम.
हमने मतलब ज़्यादा काम किया दिन में, मतलब कंपेयर टू फिल्म.
करेक्ट.
हमें ज़्यादा कवर करना पड़ता था.
सो वी नीड टू कवर मोर डायलॉग और मोर एक्शन बेसिकली. तो उसके लिए बस यू हैव टू जस्ट मेंटली अडैप्ट योरसेल्फ कि यार मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ता है उसी कम टाइम में. बट अदरवाइज द अप्रोच डजंट चेंज एनी विच वे. वी आर ट्राइंग टू गिव इट अ सिनेमैटिक फील ना. नेटफ्लिक्स द होल आइडिया इज के इंटरनेशनल शो है, इंटरनेशनल ऑडियंस देखेगी, तो you have to give it a certain quality which is not, it shouldn't feel कि हाँ यार for an Indian show it's very good. It should be that for a show it's very good generally. So
right. So now that you mentioned about this, what has been the kind of research apart from the book? How true have you been to the book, और आपने कुछ additional inputs लिए हैं? Is one of the questions is very much in demand.
we've been true to the book. तो मतलब it's not definitively true to the book. थोड़ा नहीं, काफ़ी बहुत चेंज किया बुक से.
विक्रम चंद्र हमारे पास हमेशा बाउंस ऑफ करने के लिए थे.
हाँ,
परमिशन.
With the permission of the author of the book, we have changed a bit. I think the spirit of the book is exactly the same. Anybody who's sort of like read the book and seen the series.
Actually, Vikram Chandra is more enthusiastic because he is the one who keeps suggesting ये भी डाल सकते हो और वो भी डाल सकते हो.
Very enthusiastic. तो और दूसरा क्वेश्चन क्या था? यही क्वेश्चन था ना
सर. यही था. और आप जैसे कह रहे थे कि इन टर्म्स ऑफ द प्रोडक्शन स्केल इट हैज़ बीन वेरी बिग. तो in India we have rarely seen something which is produced at this scale. So fans are asking that, do you think that this challenge has paid off?
I mean yeah,
it has paid off in a big way. मतलब पहली बार मुझे किसी ट्रेड से मैसेज आया कि प्लीज मेक मोर फिल्म्स, वी डोंट वांट टू लूज यू टू नेटफ्लिक्स. मैं कहा भाई क्यों? तो ऐसा मतलब, और ट्रेड वाले मेरे को कभी मैसेज नहीं करते. तो मैंने बोला भाई क्यों? नेटफ्लिक्स में तो मेरे को ऑडियंस दिया. आई थिंक पहली बार हमारी फिल्म लोगों ने एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे ऐसे देखी है जो बहुत विजिबल है. हमने
आई थिंक यहाँ से पहली बार हमारी फिल्म किसी ने देखी है.
कि हमारा काम पहली बार किसी ने इतने रेंज में देखा गया है.
No, it's paid off because honestly, it's paid off because I'm shocked and very happily surprised at how broad the show has gone. Like in Netflix, you feel in the beginning that Netflix is watched by a specific group of people, or cinephiles and film lovers and show lovers and stuff. But the show has gone so broad. There's people who have seen it who from all stratas of society, from everywhere.
It's very simple. My thing is, looking at it is, first time I have had a release with the number of votes on IMDb. Number of votes is more than any mainstream.
More than any mainstream.
Like Sanju. I've never had that.
Nice.
That's true. In 1 month, it's higher than Sanju, and in 1 month it's gone more than I think Devdi, Udaan, Basipur, everything. All of those things combined.
मतलब for लाइफ में इनका जितने वोट्स नहीं थे उतने मतलब इसके.
हाँ, वो 10-10 साल के वोट्स में मतलब एक महीने में हो गए. Quite spectacular.
So sir, would you say that Sacred Games has changed the way that stories were being told? The audience is all very much excited about this kind of story.
मालूम नहीं, हम लोग तो जब काम कर रहे थे तो मेरा डेली स्ट्रगल ये था कि जो दिया गया करने को वो खत्म कर ले. हाँ, उसके बाद स्ट्रगल ये था कि जो किया है उसको इकट्ठा कर लें। उसके बाद तो मैं चला गया मन मर्जियाँ बनाने। ये भाई सब टीम के साथ बैठे, इन्होंने पूरा शो पुट टुगेदर किया। उसके बाद भी हमने देखा, देखने के बाद भी हमें नहीं मालूम था जो हुआ है। तो ना तो आई थिंक कोई नरेटिव चेंज करने निकला था, ना कोई कुछ करने निकला। जो होता है अपने आप ही होता है। आई थिंक वी वर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू जस्टिफाई। हमारे सर पे बस प्रेशर था, वो भी खुद का डाला हुआ या म्यूचुअल डिस्कशन से डाला हुआ कि हम लोग एक वर्ल्ड प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ रहे हैं। आई होप वहाँ पे हम जाके
हक ना दे।
वहाँ पे जाके कहीं ऐसा ना लगे कि किन गधों को पैसे दे दिए बनाने को शो। तो उससे ज़्यादा डर हमारा कुछ नहीं था। तो हम लोग उस डर से लड़ रहे थे बेसिकली। मतलब बहुत सारे हार्ड चॉइसेस थी जो इसके ऊपर छोड़ दिया। मैंने कहा मुझसे तो नहीं हो रहा था भाई। एक पॉइंट के बाद मैंने छोड़ दिया। मैं कहा मेरे से नहीं पता चलता कि क्या निकालूं और क्या रखूं। तो
नैरेटिव चेंजिंग मतलब यहीं पे है कि इट्स ओनली द कि चलो इट्स द फर्स्ट इंडियन शो इन अ सेंस, नॉट इट्स नॉट रियली द फर्स्ट इंडियन शो। आई मीन वी हैव एक्चुअली हैड Breathe and Inside Edge, come before this, has already started this new trend. मतलब what we call in the golden age of television is already started now. But internationally, if you look at it, this format has been there from Netflix has started. उसके पहले it's been there.
इंडिया में एक बार YRF ने अटेम्प्ट किया था एक बार, जब पाउडर वगैरह बना था, लेकिन वो सोनी पे लोग देखने नहीं गए।
Rista.com and Powder
बंद कर दिया उन्होंने।
It's just I think it's changed to the entire this whole on demand वाला business ना कि तुम कहीं भी देख सकते हो। तुमको it's not necessarily कि 8 बजे टीवी के सामने बैठ के तुम्हें शो देखना पड़ रहा है। तुम अपने फोन पे देखो, तुम अपने आईपैड पे देखो लीगली। फोन पे, आईपैड पे, टीवी पे, घर पे, ऑफिस में, कहीं भी। You know what I mean? That freedom that is given people to be able to sort of catch on to something that's a new thing. The fact that you can watch a show anywhere, you want any time you want. रात के 2 बजे देखो, सुबह के 7 बजे देखो. It doesn't matter. This is new, and this is I think what this sudden new freedom that people are sort of discovering is I think what's also driving the viewership where we suddenly it's available and it's available quite freely and any time.
Sir, and now that you mentioned that it has really paid off, so will this change the entire landscape of OTT or web content? Will it give them more encouragement for production at this scale? And
ये बिजनेसमैन को सोचना पड़ा, मेरे को नहीं। I have looked at my life as I will go wherever somebody is allowing me to create content. So and that process, because most of the places and most of the doors have been closed to us most of the times. So that's why, fortunately, unfortunately, we started ending up pioneering everything. Whether it's a short film format on YouTube, or we were always somehow the first film of a studio, newly formed studio. Somehow. In the process we have just become the first step. उसके जो pleasures हैं वो किसी और को मिलते थे, हमें कभी नहीं मिले। I think this is the first time we are actually seeing the success in front of us, and we are getting something back from it.
Sir, talking about the success, we have, we see a lot of chatter and a lot of memes that are being created on a very ongoing basis.
That's the best.
So,
what?
That's what tells you it's a success. Yeah, pictures super. There's memes being made. If there's more memes than Kalona ho, or no, sorry, not क्या होता है Kalona. कुछ होता है and कभी खुशी कभी गम।
मतलब उसमें memes होता है, social network नहीं होता था।
That's true actually.
उसमें social network नहीं होता था।
BuzzFeed ने किया।
BuzzFeed.
Sir, anyone that you like particularly, आपने कोई ऐसा?
इसका तो favorite मैं बता सकता हूँ क्या? मेरा favorite मुझे नहीं मालूम। इसका favorite है जब वो काटेकर।
हाँ, that very famous one ना, whether
Kartika is looking at Saif and not at his wife.
And not at his wife. It's that famous meme from पता नहीं कब से आ रहा है, 2 साल से, where this one lady is walking, that guy and the girl. There's memes on that for everything. But the fact that they've put that's my favorite. I love that meme. It's so cool.
Sir, another key topic in discussion is the title of the episodes. Despite the episodes have been underlining it subtly, people are actually wanting to know more and more about it.
So people who have curiosity should go down on internet and find it, because Varun Grover has very painstakingly explained that. And not just that, there's lots of techies on Reddit who have deciphered it, and there's so much takes on it. In the sense, if you ask me, Melee title was on the front page of the script every time, and I would never read that. मैं तो बना रहा था. So the whole sense of it that has come in, and the relevance of it has come from Varun Grover. So that's a question actually more for Varun Grover than for...
It's a Varun question, but honestly the answers are, I mean, it's
in the book also.
Yeah, no, but the answers are just, they're there, and honestly, Reddit will have threads and sub. There's a Sacred Games sub-thread over there which will have lots of deciphering, and just if you just Google the thing, the answers will be better. So it's yeah. हम लोग बोलेंगे तो.
So also another thing that is being talked about is that the casting of the lesser known actors in very good characters, right from Cuckoo to Bunty to Malcolm, each and every character is just brilliant. So sir, what has been the process, or
हमारा कास्टिंग का प्रोसेस इस फिल्म में, इसमें हमारा थोड़ा अलग था. इसमें हमने कवर्ड खोल के ड्रॉअर खोली, उसमें से निकले जो भी वो ले लिए. कास्टिंग प्रोसेस सेम होता है सब.
नहीं, but यहाँ पे freedom मिलता है ना. But also here there's a from Saif and Nawaz all the way down to Gaston and Pascal, the two gangsters in the boat, who are also superb. Anyway, there's such a broad spectrum here. It's just like you can go and cast so many people for that, and your casting is good, and your actors are out there. And
एक बहुत अच्छी बात जीतू जोशी ने बोली, काटेकर, जो बड़ा प्यारा आदमी है, उसने एक इंटरव्यू में बहुत अच्छा बोला. जब किसी ने उसको बोला कि सर मतलब ये सारे जो नए एक्टर्स जो स्टैंड आउट कर रहे हैं, एंड ही सेड कि एक सैफ, नवाज और राधिका को देखने लोग आए, इसलिए उन्होंने हमें देखा. और क्योंकि हमें नहीं जानते थे तो हमने उन्हें सरप्राइज किया. आज से 5 साल बाद, 6 साल बाद हम शायद सरप्राइज ना करें. हाँ, लेकिन वो उसका जो पर्सपेक्टिव था बहुत अच्छा. एंड दैट इज वेयर आई आल्सो फिगर, बिकॉज वी गॉट सैफ, इट एम्पावर्ड द प्रोजेक्ट. एंड देन वी गॉट नवाज, it gave more strength to us and Radhika to go out and explore amongst the unknown people. So sometimes everything is very economic driven. Har baar even the choices are also economic driven. Maybe success of Sacred Games will allow us to go next time and get all fresh people.
Correct. No, but the medium also allows us. No, the medium also allows us to the same thing as a feature film would have all these other characters, especially a Cuckoo, Bunty, would have all become like that. They would all become like that because your theme, your main thing would have been between Gaitonde and Sartaj, and that would have been that. That would
सारे छोटे कैरेक्टर्स पासिंग में निकल जाते हैं.
और काटेकर एक वो छोटा सा typical film भी वाला supporting role हो जाता है. This medium allows us to be able to explore all these other characters also. So suddenly you have this opportunity to write interesting characters.
On Black Friday when it
cast
was a series, the Piyush Mishra was playing a character which was a whole chapter. But when it became a film, his whole chapter went out. आज तक माफ नहीं किया उन्होंने मेरे को. तो मेरा पूरा कैरेक्टर निकाल दिया.
I know that's it. Yeah, that happens. So sad.
Sir, another thing that everybody wants to know is how was it working with Netflix on India's first original web series, or one of the the few original web series. How was the experience, sir?
It started with he's the one dealing with Netflix most of the time.
It's not a web series. It's a Netflix.
It's the series, the Netflix series. I meant.
So it started. He was the one who was dealing with most of them. For me, what I expected out of them, it ended up turning out like that. Well, my relationship with Netflix has started post the series, and it's amazing. They're very forthcoming.
Yeah, they're very
transparent, forthcoming.
No, they're great. They're great partners. They're great partners. They're fantastic partners because they push the product in the right way. They believe in it. They're looking over your shoulder in the right way with a nice macro view of things. There's things that you don't think of. They'll give you ideas for that. They've been lovely partners throughout. And then the end of it, when they go and market a show like this, and it gives us so much confidence.
Their love for the show and their confidence in it, I think, gave us confidence.
Gave us confidence in ourselves in the end. Like, so by the time when the marketing came, we were like, wow, this is like. Suddenly everybody's talking about the show. I mean, they brought awareness to something. So much to learn, So much to learn from their approach. Their post was already 1 year before. The mock-ups and stuff. So much to learn from their approach.
उनका काम करने का तरीका बहुत कमाल है. उनका मार्केटिंग देख के हमें पता चल गया कि हम अपनी मार्केटिंग में क्या गड़बड़ करते हैं.
सुना? मार्केटिंग वाले.
Sir, another key point that is being talked about is the music. So, sir, how was the entire experience working with the music team and
बोलो सर ये सब
आलोका तो मतलब
पहले मतलब इतना मैं बता सकता हूँ कि विक्रम whenever he was experiencing dealing with music team, he had to look down. He never could look up and talk to her. So anyway.
What? With also show.
Bad joke.
Aloka has been. I worked with her. Trap पे काम किया, and then I done like lots of ads, and she used to be the assistant to Amit Trivedi when I was doing Udaan and Devdi के time भी she was the assistant. So one little girl used to sit in the corner and do all the programming and stuff. वो तब करती थी. So and then in between she met me and says, I've become a composer by myself. Can I do some ads for you, whatever? So we did, and she's just so talented. Yeah, matlab she's genius. She's really genius. Yeah. She's somebody who understands, and it's beautiful because it's not just about music for the sake of music. It's music for the sake of story. She understands how to tell a story from a musical perspective, and that's a very, very rare talent. It's a very rare talent, and it's a God-given talent to her, and thank God for her. She lifted the show, yeah. Without her, the show is not the same show.
Yeah.
It's not.
There were lots of unsung heroes of this.
Arya Menon is one.
Arya Menon, Arti,
Aarti Bajaj.
all the 80s, second in बहुत सारा काम.
So are you guys now planning on more, more and more series? Any new ideas on that front that fans
चीज़ें
can
जब
look
हो
out
जाए
for?
उसके बाद बात करनी चाहिए. होने से पहले कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
But on that front, sir, fans have also very recently, trended something like we want Sacred Games season 2. They are eagerly waiting for it. So, sir, anything?
I don't know भाई, देखो अभी फैंस को तो जो चाहिए अब वो चाहिए, लेकिन हमको जो करना है हमें वो करना है. तो फैंस के बोलने से तुरंत नहीं हो जाएगा. हाँ, जो चीज़ जब आनी चाहिए तभी आएगी.
ऑनरेबल गवर्नमेंट से देखिए एक प्रोसेस होता है इसमें.
ऐसा होता है.
सरकारी टाइप से बात करें, देखिए एक प्रोसेस होता है इसमें.
हमने भी एक बार ऐसी 2 फिल्म बनाई थी, 2 पार्ट वाली. फर्स्ट पार्ट का सबने कहा पार्ट 2 चाहिए, पार्ट 2 चाहिए. तो कुछ जल्दी रिलीज कर दी. इसमें हमारा ही नुकसान हो गया. वसीपुर 1 and 2 बहुत जल्दी आ गई थी 2. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वो बोली थोड़ा और वेट करते ना, ज़्यादा पैसे कमाते बीच से, ऑडियंस और बढ़ जाती. कर चुके हैं एक बार.
Sir, another question that we are getting on the live is, did Anurag sir direct any part of Saif's character's timeline?
Me, yes. I directed which part of it? वो शिट, वो पार्ट तो है उसमें, लेकिन सैफ नहीं था. सैफ का बचपन था.
सैफ का चाइल्डहुड डायरेक्ट किया.
सैफ का चाइल्डहुड मैंने डायरेक्ट किया था.
मैंने गायटोंडे का बुढ़ापा
सैफ
डायरेक्ट
जो
किया.
गायतोंडे का बुढ़ापा, मैंने सैफ का चाइल्डहुड. क्योंकि सैफ जो जैसा है इस सीरीज में, वो सिर्फ इसलिए क्योंकि उसका चाइल्डहुड मेरे हाथ में था. दैट्स व्हाई इसको एंग्जाइटी पिल लेने पड़ते हैं.
So just to sum it up, so we would really like to thank you, sir, again for giving your time to us.
Why are you so formal? Why can't you be yourself? Just be normal.
थैंक फॉर अपना ही ऑफिस है यार.
Normal आदमी की तरह.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us few more insights about this, and we are eagerly waiting for the next season, sir.
Show me the eagerness. There's no eagerness on your face.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
थैंक यू.
Thanks.
Done.
कर गया.
ऐसा तो क्यों है? तू ऐसा थोड़ा खुला हो. मैं जैसे एक्टर्स को देखता हूँ, ढीला हो.
Sir.
ढीला हो थोड़ा. ढीला हो थोड़ा. ना फॉर्मल नहीं होना करता.
Sir,
तेरा पहला सवाल चालू हुआ ऐसा रियल, तभी से हंसी आने लग गई इसको. देखो इसको ही कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकता.
नहीं इतना फॉर्मल है.
thank you, sir.
बट गुड.
सच्ची नीचे ना इतनी गर्मी में तुम लोग इंटरव्यू करो 40 मिनट के लिए, दैट टू.